So I do have a lot of azaleas. They were blooming quite a bit.
A Seminole County homeowner is seeing the benefits after taking part in the county's free irrigation evaluation program.
So this is the new irrigation system that we had installed, and it's really working great. You can see that the new start time is at 2 a.m., which definitely helps.
The program is available to Seminole County utility customers and helps identify leaks, broken or faulty equipment, and wasteful watering.
Some of that is adjusting timers, looking for broken sprinkler heads, looking for leaks, and looking for any other inefficiencies and ways to save water.
Through the program, a licensed irrigation professional schedules a free visit to evaluate your system, checking the timer, rain sensor, sprinkler coverage, and looking for leaks or other issues. For Lisa, the inspection revealed a problem.
I volunteered for that because I've been having some issues in my yard with water consumption was really high. My last couple bills had gone up almost doubled. I had a broken pipe and my irrigation system wasn't working properly.
After the evaluation, if a faulty rain sensor is found, technicians can install a new one and recommend watering schedules or system improvements to help the irrigation system run more efficiently.
What I noticed in the last 2 months is that the bill has come back down, way down from where it was. And that was great to see. So I know it's working.